Whoever has La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah, and he says this sincerely, he's a Muslim whether you like it or not, whether he prays in your masjid or not, whether he follows your imam or not, whether he prays and fasts at the same, doesn't change. It does not change the fact, excuse me, wallahi, forgive me. Whoever has Iman and Tawheed and clearly says it, whether you like it or not, your mashayikh accept it or not, it doesn't change the fact that he's a Muslim. And unless there is clear kufr on his tongue and on his hands, he's a believer whether you like it or not, he's a part of the ummah. This, sometimes the boys, they struggle. Oh brother, what do you mean? No brother, what do you mean? Who died and gave any one of us the authority to say who is and who isn't a Muslim? Something that the companions never dared on doing. The Prophet of Allah, who had the munafiqeen that lived around him, they lived around him. He had them on a list. He had them on a list that even his closest companions didn't have the luxury of knowing. And you and I want to walk around and claim who is and who isn't a Muslim.